It's Wednesday night, October 4th, and it is my dear friend Robert's birthday today. So I sent him I think I told you about Smash Ups. It's a very fun app that you have to pay for it. But anyway, there's all these celebrities sing and dance and do all these fun birthday wishes, and you just plug in the person's name and their age or whatever, and then it gets immediately put into it and it looks like they're singing to them. It's very fun. So I sent him an app. I sent him a Smash Up today for his birthday. He got it. He appreciated it. All right. So Brooke, the wonder creator of all things, because she is so fast and speedy. OMG. She came in on Saturday after the live because she had a soccer tournament in the morning. And we were walking around the store and we were talking about Mirasol's Inca. This is a yarn that I absolutely love. Look at the sheen. I think I've told you about it. It's 64% viscose, 36% baby alpaca. It is 442 yards, so it's a fingering, but it has a bit of a halo, if you can see it. And I have loved this yarn, but it's not inexpensive. It's $25 a skein, and so we were hoping for some smaller project. And lo and behold, yes-a-ree Bob, she took the Church Mouse Inside Out cowl and made this amazing cowl. Now, she used two different colors, the gold and the rust, or the brown. However, she had a little less than half of a ball left of each one. So if you made it just a little bit smaller, you could easily get two cowls out of the two balls. It is soft. It is not itchy. It is delicious. You could wear it on the gold side with a little pop of brown. It's so beautiful. I have 2, 4, 6. I have 8 colors. You can mix and match and do whatever you want. So I'm just going to show you the colors, and you can decide. You are going to want to do this. Promise. I promise. All right. This is the gold and the copper that she used on this one. So beautiful. Literally, you knit the one color, you do a purl turning edge, and then you knit the second color, and then you seam. How hard is that? It's not. Perfect. All right, so that's the first one. Then I have this beautiful kind of a rusty red. It's not red, it's more persimmon maybe. And then this sort of blue, interesting. You could do red and blue if you were so inclined, but these two colors would go with a lot of other things. So yes, and then this little pastel number I think is quite beautiful. This very pale taupey pink and this very pale silvery blue. Gorgeous. But then again, you could do the silvery blue with the blue, right? And maybe you could do the red with that toasty, rosy pink. I don't know. But last but not least is the silver and the white, or the cream. Gorgeous. Cream would go with anything. The gray and the red, if you're an Ohio State fan, go for it. Whatever. Mix and match. These are the colors. If I can get them on all my fingers. These are the colors. These are the colors, right? The gold, the red, the pink, the blue, the white, light blue, the gray, and the copper. Gorgeous. It feels good. Honestly, $50. You get 2 gifts. Boom. I'm talking about Christmas. Yes, sirree, Bob. Thank you, Brookie. This was such a treat. Thank you so much. I love it. And I'm telling you, it is not itchy at all. It's absolutely gorgeous. What? All right. That's it for tonight's bingo. They're out there playing, having a big time. And it's the first Wednesday of the month. So who knew? I will be here tomorrow, and I plan to do a video. I am leaving on Friday to go up to Lake Junaluska to Waynesville to our color changing retreat. So looking forward to that. It will be very fun. I went to Goodwill today and found a wool vest that might fit. It would fit my son, but is he ever going to wear it? Probably not. But anyway, it's wool. It's really hard to find wool in the Goodwill and places like that. Mostly everything's acrylic, but I found it. So it's a little V-neck. It's a vest, so it's a double X large, so it's going to be a nice big vest. If he doesn't want it, maybe I'll wear it over jeans. Who knows? Whatever. All right, I got my project. All right, that's it. Enough rambling. Have a lovely, wonderful evening. Oh my gosh, this weather is so special. I just wake up, thank God, every day for this amazing weather. It's lovely. All right, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.